Have you ever wondered how the body protects itself from the outside world? On the outside of our bodies, it is our skin that protects us. However, when we look inside our body, organs like the intestine and kidney are also in contact with the outside world and face similar challenges. When looking at these organs more closely, we can see that their surface is lined with a single layer of highly specialized cells, the epithelium. The cells in this epithelium have a clear top, which is in contact with the outside, and a bottom facing the rest of the body. They work together to form a tight barrier, often with a mucus layer on top. All of this together is what physically separates the inside from the outside and protects the rest of our body from external insults and pathogens. The epithelium can also selectively take up essential nutrients and materials. If defective, it can lead to many different diseases, which highlights just how important and complex epithelial functions are. However, exactly how this surface is able to act as a barrier and regulate exchange of materials at the same time is not fully understood. That's why the EU-funded network SurfEx is working to bridge this gap in our knowledge, gathering together 12 doctoral candidates from 8 different institutes across Europe. At SurfEx, we study epithelia from 3 angles to improve our understanding of how the epithelium manages its complex functions. We study the molecular principles that organize this exchange surface of intestinal epithelial cells. We examine how the mucus layer of intestinal epithelial cells is built up and how it's able to act as a barrier. And we work to improve experimental laboratory models to establish new ways of studying the structure and functions of epithelial surfaces. This way, we don't simply advance scientific knowledge, but also equip scientists and clinicians in need of understanding the delicate trade-offs these tissues have to make.